Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. So from any screen, you can either go to home menu, you see there, please connect phone, or click on the phone button there. When you click on the phone button, it shows if there's nothing connected or nothing paired at the moment to it and using it, then it shows you the phones that can be paired, that are in its memory. And as you see there, Barry's iPhone 12, and there's just delete next to it. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Gone.